When you hear the name, Tata Sierra, you think of an icon. But in modern automotive design, nostalgia only gets you out of the driveway, it's engineering that gets you home safely. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the safety architecture of the Tata Sierra. Safety isn't just an extra feature here, it's baked directly into the vehicle's DNA. The Sierra achieved a 5-star rating in Bharat NCAP crash testing, delivering exceptional structural stability for both adult and child occupants. Passive safety and structural cell. It all starts beneath the surface. Built on an ultra-rigid platform utilizing advanced high-strength steel, the passenger cabin acts as a protective safety cell. Front and rear crumple zones are calibrated to deform predictably, absorbing kinetic energy long before it reaches the interior. Inside, passive protection comes standard across every single variant. 6 airbags, dual front, side, and full-length curtain airbags protecting both rows. Integrated ISOFIX mounts, standardized points on the outer rear seats to secure child restraint systems directly to the frame. Pre-tensioner seatbelts, equipped with load limiters to keep occupants safely locked in position during sudden deceleration. Active safety in Level 2 ADAS. While passive safety protects you in an impact, active safety works to prevent the collision altogether. The Sierra features a comprehensive electronic stability program with 20 standard functions, including rollover mitigation, dynamic torque vectoring, and all-wheel disc brakes. Higher trims take this further with a full Level 2 ADAS suite powered by camera and radar technology. Autonomous emergency braking (AEB) detects vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists ahead. Lane keep assist and departure warning prevents unintentional drifting on highways. 360-degree camera with foresight blind spot monitor displays live blind spot feeds on your dashboard screen during turns or lane changes. Final verdict: whether you're navigating chaotic city traffic or taking your family on a cross-country road trip, peace of mind comes from knowing your car is actively working to keep you secure. The Tata Sierra doesn't just rely on its heritage. With a rigid safety cell, standard 6 airbags, and intelligent driver assist technology, it sets a high benchmark for SUV safety. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive breakdowns, and drop a comment below. What safety feature matters most to you in your next car?